Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome to a journey where we uncover the secrets of nature's gold. Have you ever wished for a magic potion to supercharge your plants and bring life back to your soil? Imagine a solution that not only nourishes your plants but also rejuvenates the very earth they grow in. Look no further than the wonders of vermicompost. This incredible substance is created by the diligent work of earthworms, transforming waste into a gardener's treasure. This natural elixir, crafted by the humble earthworm, is a treasure trove of nutrients, breathing life and vitality into your garden. It's like giving your plants a nutrient-packed smoothie. Imagine transforming your kitchen scraps and garden waste into a potent fertilizer, bursting with life-giving goodness. Every peel, every leaf, turning into something magical. That's the magic of vermicomposting. It's a simple process with profound benefits, turning everyday waste into a gardener's gold. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, vermicomposting offers a simple yet profound way to enhance your gardening practices. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Vermicomposting, at its heart, is the art of harnessing the power of earthworms to transform organic waste into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. These little creatures, often overlooked, are nature's master recyclers, diligently working their magic beneath our feet. Imagine this. You offer your kitchen scraps, fallen leaves, and shredded newspaper to a colony of hungry earthworms. These industrious decomposers, with their insatiable appetites, consume the organic matter, breaking it down into simpler compounds. As the worms digest, they release what we call vermicast, their excrement, which, unlike our own, is a gardener's gold. Vermicast is teeming with beneficial microbes, enzymes, and readily available nutrients, making it the perfect food for your plants. This natural process, far from being unpleasant, is a beautiful symphony of life and decomposition, transforming waste into a valuable resource. Now let's talk about why vermicompost deserves a prime spot in your gardening toolkit. This black gold isn't just a fertilizer, it's a soil superhero, working its magic on multiple levels. From enriching the soil to boosting plant health, vermicompost does it all. Firstly, vermicompost is a powerhouse of essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, readily available for your plants to absorb. These nutrients are vital for robust plant growth and bountiful yields. But it doesn't stop there. It's also rich in micronutrients, those trace elements crucial for healthy plant growth. These micronutrients ensure that your plants get a balanced diet, promoting overall vitality. Beyond its nutritional prowess, vermicompost enhances soil structure, improving drainage and aeration, creating an ideal environment for roots to thrive. Well-aerated soil means stronger, deeper roots. It also boosts the soil's water-holding capacity, acting like a sponge, retaining moisture, and reducing the need for frequent watering. This is especially beneficial during dry spells or in regions with water restrictions. And here's the bonus. Vermicompost promotes beneficial microbial activity in the soil, creating a thriving ecosystem that naturally suppresses plant diseases and pests. These microbes play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. Ready to embark on your vermicomposting adventure? The good news is, there's a method for everyone, whether you have a sprawling garden or a cozy balcony. The two most popular methods are the bed method and the pit method. The bed method, ideal for smaller spaces, involves creating layers of organic material in a bin or container, inviting your worm workforce to feast and transform. For those with larger gardens or a desire to compost on a grander scale, the pit method might be more suitable. This involves digging a pit, layering it with organic matter, and introducing your composting companions. Choosing the right method depends on your space, the amount of organic waste you generate, and your personal preference. Whichever path you choose, the end result is the same nutrient-rich vermicompost to nourish your garden. Don't be daunted by the thought of starting your own vermicomposting system. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's quite manageable. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to successful vermicomposting in no time. A plastic bin with a lid or a dedicated worm composting bin are excellent choices. Make sure the bin is opaque to keep the worms in a dark environment. Drill holes for ventilation and drainage. Proper airflow is crucial to keep your worms healthy and happy. Shredded newspaper, cardboard, or coconut coir make ideal bedding material, providing a comfortable and airy home for your worms. This bedding should be moist but not soggy. Red wiggler worms are the champions of vermicomposting, readily available online or at your local garden center. They are efficient and thrive in compost bins. Bury your kitchen scraps, avoid meat and dairy, shredded paper and yard waste in the bedding, ensuring the moisture level is just right, like a wrung-out sponge. This balance is key to a successful compost. After a few months, you'll notice a rich, earthy-smelling compost at the bottom of your bin. This is a sign that your worms have been hard at work. This is the treasure, your very own vermicompost. It's packed with nutrients that your plants will love. Remember, vermicomposting is a journey, not a race. It takes time for the worms to break down the material, so be patient. The applications of vermicompost are as diverse as the plants it nourishes. In your home garden, it can be used as a top dressing, mixed into potting soil, or brewed into a nutrient-rich tea for your plants. Farmers are also recognizing the power of vermicompost, incorporating it into their fields to improve soil health, enhance crop yields, and reduce reliance on chemical fertilizers. It's a sustainable solution that benefits both the environment and the bottom line. Beyond the garden and farm, vermicompost is finding its way into landscaping projects, urban gardens, and even green roofs, contributing to greener and more sustainable cities. Creating your own vermicompost bin is a rewarding project, allowing you to customize your setup and add a personal touch to your gardening endeavors. Gather a few simple materials: a plastic storage bin, a lid, a drill, and bedding materials like shredded newspaper or cardboard. Drill holes for ventilation and drainage in the bin, then create a cozy bedding layer for your worms. Add your kitchen scraps and garden waste, ensuring the right moisture level. There are countless online resources and DIY videos to guide you through the process, offering creative and innovative ideas for building the perfect worm haven. As we've discovered, vermicomposting is more than just a gardening technique. It's a way of life, a commitment to sustainability, and a celebration of nature's ingenuity. By embracing the humble earthworm and harnessing its transformative power, we can reduce our environmental footprint, create a valuable resource for our gardens, and reconnect with the natural cycles that sustain us. So, I encourage you to embark on your own vermicomposting journey. Start small, be patient, and observe the magic unfold. Your plants, your soil, and our planet will thank you for it. Happy composting!